Hello everyone, I am Sneha Namanandi and we welcome you to Pet Stories by the Pet Station, a show dedicated to human fur bonds. किसी ने सही कहा है, dogs do talk, but only to those who listen. और सुनो, ये बात जाती है दिल से दिल तक. Today on our episode, we have a very famous Bollywood personality with her two little furry babies, Daisy, Shah, Theo and Miko. Today she opens up about her journey with her little fur babies and how they add colors into her life. Okay, so I can't wait and I'm sure you guys are too excited too. So let's call Daisy Shah with her two little furry babies, Theo and Miko.
Thank you so much for coming. Hi, Nico. Hi, Theo. What's up, guys? I don't know whether we're going to sit here or not, but okay. That's okay. And welcome to Pet Stories. Thank you so much for coming. And tell me, how do you feel about this whole thing?
I am super impressed, first of all.
Okay.
And considering our association with a lot of people don't know about, we've been known each other for donkey years now.
Yeah, true.
हम बताएंगे आगे बताएंगे हम कैसे जानते हैं.
Yes. So, सबसे पहले तो look at him. He's twinning with me.
Yes, he is. And I want to thank you for the bandanas, first of all.
You're welcome. Thank you for wearing them, cuties. And he's searching for something already. And we don't know what. But you have to tell us that why did you name them as Theo and Miko? Story क्या है?
Acha, story, first of all, so I had a chihuahua which unfortunately passed away in 2021 January, but she lived her life. She was 11 years old, so she passed away because of her age, not because of any other problem. And I was so devastated कि मैं एक महीना तक मैंने घर छोड़ दिया था. I was living at my friend's place who has a dog because I wanted, if you understand the feeling. So and then जहाँ पे मेरी जो चिहुआहुआ थी उसका नाम ब्लेसी था.
Okay.
वो जहाँ ग्रूमिंग के लिए जाती थी, apparently the owner called me and said that his dog had littered.
Wow. Okay.
And this one came from that litter. And he told me I just randomly called him by asking कि कौन सा लेना चाहिए pet, because I cannot imagine living in a house with no pets. And then he is like, you know what? तो उसके dog का नाम लाडो था. है. And he's like, Lado has littered and I've kept one for you.
Oh, so cute.
And I was like, jaldi bhej usko ghar pe. And that's how he came into my life. And I just I felt as if it's a divine gift. And that's when I started Googling is there a name which represents divine gift?
Okay.
So Theo is basically called a gift from God. The meaning of Theo is a gift from God. And when this guy came, so they're half brothers actually.
Oli.
They have the same mother. And so because he was a gift to me from the God, so is he. So I was like, I want a name which is somewhere similar to it. And then Miko. It was rhyming also, and it also holds the same meaning.
Miko.
Yeah.
Sounds so good. So what is the age gap between?
11 months apart. So he'll be turning 5 in December. And he'll be turning 4 in November.
So, life में क्या changes आई इनके आने के बाद?
Apparently, मतलब जितना समझ में आया, जब I just felt after Blessy passing away, I have become more responsible as a pet parent. Blessy क्योंकि वो बहुत ही छोटी थी, तो इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं होता था. मतलब उसके लिए वॉक मतलब लिविंग एरिया में यहाँ से वहाँ चल लिया, उसका वॉक हो गया. या तो इनका इट्स I make sure that they go for their walks. I make sure that they are being cleaned every
Yeah,
time.
I just heard behind the scenes that चार बार इनको रोज की क्लीनिंग होती है.
मतलब बेसिक क्लीनिंग होती है.
हाँ, बेसिक 4 बार.
एवरी टाइम
4 बार बेसिक क्लीनिंग. ठीक है, क्यों इन लोग बहुत ज्यादा धूल मिट्टी में खेलने जाते हैं.
दे आर पर्सनालिटीज, मतलब दोनों की इतनी ईस्ट वेस्ट है कि ही लव्स अ क्लीन प्लेस टू poop and pee on, and he needs equally गंदा place to pee and poop on. तो मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. एंड ही इसका कैसा है कि इसका प्रोपेगेंडा हो गया मुझे घर जाना. and he wants to roam around.
Explorer.
Yeah. तो I have to definitely make sure कि ये साथ, क्योंकि ये जब तक कचरे में जाएगा नहीं कुछ करेगा नहीं. I have to give them that leverage.
मैं अभी सोच रही थी अभी कि ये लोग दोनों इतनी शांति से हाउ आर दे सिटिंग बिकॉज यू आर सिटिंग बट देन ही जस्ट प्रूव्ड इट रॉन्ग by
I
going
will
down.
make sure. So he will still sit. This guy is nuisance.
सो डोमिनेटिंग कौन है अभी?
वैसे देखा जाए ये dominating है, but like he's more gutsy
Okay.
and he only bullies him.
कहाँ यार वो कैसे बैठा हुआ है चुपचाप? He's gone for a walk. क्लीन एरिया ही है ना पूरा यहाँ पे. He's asking him to pick him up.
Yeah.
So are you gonna get a third one कि अभी?
नहीं बस अभी फिलहाल 2. अगर तीसरे को अगर मैं मेंशन भी करूंगी रखने के लिए, मम्मी बोलेगी एक काम कर तू ही घर से
हाँ. फिर तीसरा. But how is your relationship with your mom?
Very
So you're the mom,
yeah.
grandma.
Yes.
अच्छा. And how is
the mom? My mom is a nanny.
nanny? Good, right?
Yeah.
That's a good thing. So what is the best thing you would say कि ये लोग के आने से एक कोई अच्छी चीज हुई होगी जो बहुत स्पेशल है तुम्हारे लिए, सबसे ये लोग आए तुम्हारी लाइफ में? एक होता है ना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो गया.
I think I have become enlightened. If मतलब पहले ऐसा था कि बस भागते रहो, इसके पीछे भागो उसके पीछे भागो, बस भागते रहो. I think after they have come into my life, I've started enjoying my present. Like what are we chasing?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, which never comes. So with them, I'm like, after they came into my life, this is what life is. This is what life's purpose is.
You and Miko.
Animals.
True. So they have friends.
Why are you crying?
Because you cried. Because you cried.
So he has a lot of friends. He apparently has a fascination with larger dogs. He has a girlfriend who's a golden retriever.
मतलब he's following the trend. Wants to date elder.
औकात से बाहर वाली लड़की चाहिए.
तो यार पहले बोलते हैं उस रिट्रीवर को बुला लेते हैं फिर यहाँ पे काम नहीं होता.
हाँ.
So okay. So emotionally available कौन है दोनों में से? For you.
Him. He's very protective of me.
Yeah, he is. Sure.
Not right now. Not right now.
And he is
And he is so. When he had come. Okay. As I said, when Blessy passed away, he came into my life first, right? So I was like very, very protective. मतलब मैंने मेरे घर वालों को भी उसको हाथ नहीं लगाने दिया जब तक वैक्सीनेट नहीं हुआ था. And that's why he is super attached to me. And जब ये आया, that's when my mom and my sister said, अब तू इसको हाथ नहीं लगाने दे.
अच्छा, ये हमारा है, ये तुम्हारा है. But then shoot वूट पे लेकर गए हुए.
At times, yes, I've taken them.
ये सब पे जाके ये
सब पे
look how he's looking at me.
ये क्यों come what I love about him is like okay, so when he had come, he was like hardly 5-6 months old, and I had to go for a shoot for a month and a half to London. तो वहाँ से I was video calling him every day. And what I like about him is like dogs होते हैं when they react like this. So that's what Theo does.
He listens to you.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that one is
In general, also Theo listens. Whether it's my mom, whether it's me or my sister, he reacts.
Okay.
Miko is a bodhura.
You're meeting all these dogs.
Yeah.
Flirt करते हैं क्या ये लोग?
Theo करता है
ना?
Yeah.
दिख रहा है वो यहाँ पे. So okay, they've been on your set also. They've been well behaved and all that. कोई
set as in like I've not taken them on set, but they like vanity is their space.
Okay. So you spend a lot of time with them when you're not shooting.
Yeah.
And the second spare human. You want to say it? You're not
Yes. Spare human is basically my driver. उनकी प्रायोरिटी सेट है. पहले हमारी मम्मी, उसके बाद अरुण, which is my driver's name, and obviously he's my man Friday. Then it's my mom, then it's my sister, and then it's my housemate.
अच्छा,
So
तो
it's set.
Nice, good. And do they like to like dress up and all that stuff?
No.
Like,
I avoid, like, Blessy, I used to dress her up a lot because Chihuahuas, they tend to feel a lot colder than rest other dogs. So, yeah, उसको मैं dress up करती, इनको क्या ही मतलब, इनफैक्ट इनके मुझे बाल कटवाने पड़ते मुंबई.
so, but when you're shooting, they've not been like on the set.
On set.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये तो
I've taken them for rehearsals, I've taken them for my shoots, but I've not like, I've made sure कि वो लोग vanity और जो बाहर का space है वहाँ तक ही घूमे, because on set they'll not let anybody work.
yeah, true. तो ऐसा है क्या कि मतलब तुम्हारी लोकेलिटी में they know them more than you? Like आप यहाँ पे रहते हो, उनको ज्यादा पता है कि थियो मीको यहाँ पे रहते हो, उनको ज्यादा. They are more popular.
Yeah.
Like in that vicinity कि oh थियो मीको is mother.
So when my housemate was on छुट्टी, मैं इन लोग को वॉक पे लेके जाती थी, एंड बिलीव यू मी, व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू टेक देम फॉर अ वॉक, तो वहां पे जो बाकी वॉकर्स आते थे, अरे आपकी वो मेड नहीं आई. So इनको देख के वो पहचान जाती थी.
हाँ, that's what. So normally who takes them? Now you go. Who take them for a walk?
Like it depends. If that's why I said na Arun.
हाँ, fair.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Okay, we'll do a rapid fire round. है ना? So you just have to answer फटाफट and then we've got something for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
हमें भी मिल रहा है.
हाँ, but हम लोग को पहले देखना पड़ेगा. We'll take an approval also from them.
Okay.
So they have to do something and show us that हाँ you were not lying.
You want to come up? Come.
Good boy.
ये बहुत दूर. Come.
अच्छा ठीक है. Cool. Who is the cuddliest amongst both of them?
Actually, both are. Their way of cuddling is very different. I know
One.
it's a rapid fire, but
This one. Okay. Which one hogs the spotlight when you're at home? वो कहता है कि मैं हूँ, मैं भी. Okay. Who's
the trick to call him is call him.
Call him. Got it. Who's the first to race to the food bowl?
That's it.
इसका नाम है यार. Theo. This one, that one, this one, that one. Okay. So which one of them, Theo or Miko? Nastiest attitude किसका है?
Miko.
Okay. Who loves belly rubs?
Miko.
Okay. So do they prefer chilling on the couch or dancing around with you?
So he dances around me and this one dances around him.
So if Theo and Miko could star in a Bollywood movie, would they be romantic heroes, comedic sidekicks, or action stars?
Action stars, but the only difference is they'll be fighting each other.
But chalega, at least we know what they are. One word to describe Theo's personality.
He's a don.
Don. Alright, Theo's a don. One word to describe Miko's personality.
Homo.
With space. Who's the better watchdog when someone knocks on the door? Theo. Okay. So if Theo and Miko were to star in a Bollywood movie as a hero, which film would best suit them?
Have to name a film?
Yeah. और उसके अंदर जो personality है.
Yeah. How do I say? This is very easy.
Yeah, Wonder Woman. Superman.
Superman भी नहीं. I think they are anti-heroes. Iron Man बोल सकते हैं. Like the personality wise I
हाँ.
know. Personality wise.
Okay, Iron Man. ठीक है. चलो good job. अभी मुझे ये दोनों में से somebody has to give me a high five or something. Okay देते हैं ना?
हाँ.
तो मुझे तो नहीं देंगे ना अभी.
क्यों नहीं देंगे?
हाँ तो फिर them
कुछ होगा तो
हाँ.
you are
अच्छा,
the best friend.
Okay, are we doing it?
Doing it and we are doing it.
अच्छा, and we are doing it. Please get Daisy. Thank you. This is for you. A little hand.
Oh no, it's so cute. I love the picture.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's see this. It's so cute.
Cute. So this is a very interesting segment. It's called Dress Your Pet in 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you have to decide किसके साथ करना है, कौन cooperate करेगा. So there are bandanas, caps, and there are those face
I
masks.
think he will cooperate. This one
He
will
will.
not. Yeah.
तो उसका वो bandana निकाल देते हैं. And then we'll go for it.
मेरे 1 मिनट चालू नहीं हुआ ना?
नहीं. इसके बाद. 3, 2, 1.
ये गलत बात है. 1 मिनट में पॉसिबल नहीं है.
50 seconds.
टाइम है.
जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी.
देखो अब
45.
हम लड़के हैं तो हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हाँ, वी आर रेडी.
No. Hello, you have 40 seconds.
We are ready
more.
ना. See this?
See this? What is see this? गिर जा रहा है.
क्लिप का है.
See, look at this.
अच्छा, ये क्लिप में वो नहीं पहनेगा. Wait.
हाँ.
Wait.
Okay. इसको घर पे हो तो you can actually ऐसा.
We are ready.
Okay, fine. Take a shot.
We are ready.
Welcome to Pet Stories.
Hi, baby.
I'm sorry. I know you're a boy,
Welcome to Pet Stories.
but it's okay.
Just because.
Just because.
Miko looked very, very cute. This is for both of them.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Pet Stories. Pet Stories. Pet Stories. Pet Stories.
So this is a Guardian Hearts Award from आजकल डायबिटीज का बहुत ज़्यादा cases in dogs.
The alarming thing is कि it's not just for the elderly dogs. वो young dogs में भी हो रहा है. Like, okay.
Marking का issue था.
Yeah,
Since I am on this platform, I would love to tell you that if there's anything related to this NGO, please consider me.
वाह.
1 साल में उसने 6 फॉस्टर होम्स चेंज किए. उसने 2 दिन तक कुछ खाया भी.
Baby, trick. I'm gonna flex. Hero के चार पैर. Welcome to Pet Stories. अपना हो या घर. Welcome to Pet Stories. कोई breed हो या stray. Welcome to Pet Stories. We are ready to play. Welcome to Pet Stories. Pet Stories. Pet Stories. Pet Stories. Welcome to Pet Stories. Pet Stories. Pet Stories.